Hi everyone, hope you're going well at home. Today I'm going to read you a story. It's called Piranhas, Don't Eat Bananas. It's one of my favourite books by Aaron Blabey. He writes lots of funny stories. Piranhas, Don't Eat Bananas. Hey there guys, would you like a banana? What's wrong with you, Brian? You're a piranha. Well, how about some silver beet? Are you serious, Brian? We eat feet. Or would you rather a bowl of peas? Stop it, Brian. We eat knees. Well, I bet you'd like some juicy plums. That's it, Brian. We eat bums. We don't eat apples, we don't eat beans, we don't eat veggies, we don't eat greens. We don't eat melons, we don't eat bananas. And the reason is simple, mate. We are piranhas. Well, I think that's silly, guys. Fruit is the best. We can't take much more of it, Brian. Give it a rest. Okay, I'll stop then. You'll hear no more chatter, but only if you try my awesome fruit platter. Give it here then. So what do you think, guys? Is it yucky or yum? It's very nice, Brian. But we still prefer bum.